Hello, what's up guys? I'm Yas from New Technical Tricks. In this video, I'm going to explain about new update of Windows 10. So Microsoft has released a new update of Windows 10. It's now called Windows 10 April Update. A last minute change from its development name, Windows 10 Spring Creator Updates. So the final beta of the update is version 803. So it has bring some new features like timeline, near view sharing, Microsoft Edge tab muting, and power recovery for local account, focus assists, and Diagnostic beta viewer, and quick Bluetooth pairing, and the last one is graphic settings. Okay, there are many new updates is bring, so you will see on the video. So I will show you. First of all, we need to install. First of all, we need to install the Windows 10 Creator updates. So after installing, I will show you some new features of Windows 10. So let's get started. So guys, in this case, I'm going to install this version of Windows on VMware Workstation 14 Pro. No matter, you can install on your PC as well. So just I'm showing you how you can install. So first of all, you have to download these two files from the link description below and install the VMware Workstation 14 Pro on your computer. So once you have installed, then open it. Then click create a new virtual machine, select typical and next. I will install with installer. Select Microsoft Windows, and here you have to select Windows 10 64-bit. Type your virtual machine and the location where you want to save. Here you have to specify the disk capacity. It's time to edit the virtual machine. Click on Edit Virtual Machine Settings. Assign the memory size about 2 GB and further than that. 4 GB is better than 2 GB, I think. So here you have to select the ISO image file that you have nearly downloaded from the link description below. And now everything is done. Click OK button. Click on power on the virtual machine. Select your language and click next. Here click on install now. I accept the lesson terms. Click next. Custom install Windows only. Click next. Wait about 10 to 15 minutes. Say yes or click on yes button. Say yes or click on yes button. Here you have to click on skip or say yes skip. Click on skip for now, or just say skip for now. Here you have to type your PC name, type your computer password, here choose a security question. If you lost your account or if you lost your password, by the help of this three question you can bring or recover your account. So just select any of them. Here click yes and choose your personal security and click accept. The installation of Windows 10 is April has been installed successfully on my virtual machine, and so as you can see there is looking pretty cool. And now I'm going to install the VMware tools. So to install the VMware tools, you have to click on the upper and right click on your virtual machine and click on VMware, install VMware tools. Once you click, then click yes. Right click on that and click on install. Click yes. Once the installation of VMware tools has been finished, you need to restart your PC. If you click on yes, your computer will restart. So for now I'm not going to restart, but restart is better. So for now I'm just trying to tell you something. So now it's okay, install it on the VMware Workstation 14 Pro. So you can install on desktop, laptop, PC. So as you can see the face of the new update, there is update some new features. So this video has take long time, but I will short it. In the next video I will tell you, and I will make a video about the new features of the Windows 10. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope you like my video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel as well. Thanks for watching.